serenity. It's a beautiful thing to feel at peace, to be one with nature. And we need that as human beings, just to find that moment of Zen for yourself, to remove yourself from the city, from the stress, from all that surrounds you, and put yourself in a place that is natural to your subconscious mind. This is where we were born into. The world is nature. Anything that mankind has created within nature is a representation of mankind, is an expression of mankind, is a statement of humanity on this planet. And yet it could all be blown away, washed away, burnt away, deteriorated and crumbled away by the forces of nature, which are the most beautiful thing that we are able to be a part of in this world naturally. So don't forget to take that time to get out there and put yourself in the green areas on the map and just enjoy what Mother Nature is, and put that experience in your life in whatever way that you can. It's necessary, and it will better you, and it will put you at peace.